Hey creators, welcome to Ideaplex. Today we're diving into the world of websites, but ditch the coding textbooks. We're going to show you how to build a stunning website in just minutes with zero coding experience. We're taking a magic carpet ride with the powerful AI tool called Dora AI. Can you believe it? That website you've been dreaming of, showcasing your skills, your art, or your amazing cat photos, it's about to become a reality. Buckle up because this is going to be fun. Dora AI is here to be your website building genie, granting your wishes with just a few clicks. Let's face it, building a website can feel like trying to speak a whole new language. Lines of code, confusing jargon, it's enough to make anyone throw their hands up in defeat. But what if there was a way around it? What if you could create a beautiful professional website without ever touching a single line of code? First things first, let's get those creative juices flowing. Think about the purpose of your website. While brainstorming, keep your target audience in mind. Who are you trying to reach? What kind of vibe do you want to create? Introducing Dora AI, your website building bestie. This amazing tool uses artificial intelligence to turn your ideas into a real website. It's like having a tiny website genie in your pocket, granting wishes with just a few clicks. Here's the fun part: you won't be writing lines of code, but rather describing your dream website. Tell Dora what kind of website you want, the colors, the overall feel. You can even give it some example websites you like for inspiration. Alright, let's get building. Head over to Dora AI's website and get ready to be amazed. Now comes the magic part. Unleash your inner website architect. Tell Dora your dream. What kind of website are you building? A portfolio? A blog? An online store for your epic hand-knitted scarves? Dora AI can handle it all. Just choose a template that fits your needs. This is where the fun begins. Fill in the blanks with your text, anything that makes your website shine. Dora AI even helps you with layouts and design, making sure everything looks polished and professional. Let's suppose a vibrant online store selling your handmade crafts. Now sit back, relax and let the AI do its thing. It will take 20 seconds of time or 1 minute. Dora will take all your content and weave it into a beautiful website. You can even peek in and make adjustments as you go. Once you're happy with your creation, hit publish. Your website is live, ready for the world to see. Share it with your friends, family, and the world. Remember, even though Dora gives you a great starting point, don't be afraid to personalize your website. Play with fonts, colors, and layouts to make it truly your own. Your website should reflect your unique personality, just like your favorite pair of socks. We weren't kidding. From sleek, modern portfolios to vibrant online stores, Dora AI can create websites for any style and purpose. Building a website without code is no longer a fantasy, it's a reality. Thanks to Dora AI, you can ditch the frustration and unleash your inner web design wizard. Building a website with Dora AI is that easy. No coding, no headaches, just pure website building magic. If you're looking to build a website that's both stunning and hassle-free, then Dora AI is the perfect tool for you. I have tried with another surprise me prompt and let's see generate a website based on your preferences. Dora built the foundation, but now it's time to personalize your website. Play around with the editing tools, change the text, add images and videos, adjust the layout, make it truly yours. Add a custom domain to your Dora AI creation. It makes your website look more professional and memorable. Plus, it's easier to share and type in compared to those long, cryptic Dora.run addresses. Dora AI aims to create unique websites that reflect your specific vision. Templates can limit creativity. Dora AI leverages its AI capabilities to tailor the website's design, layout, and content to your preferences. However, there are still ways to get started with Dora AI easily. When describing your website to Dora AI, you can provide examples of websites you like for inspiration. This gives Dora a starting point to understand your desired style. After Dora AI generates your website, you can customize it extensively with the editing tools provided. This allows you to personalize the layout, colors, fonts, and images to achieve your desired look. It provides a more flexible and potentially more creative approach to website building. Dora AI offers a completely free plan with full access to its features. This means you can sign up and build stunning 3D animated websites without spending a dime. You can use all of Dora AI's functionalities to generate websites based on your descriptions and customize them with the editing tools. There are some restrictions on the number of websites you can create or the complexity of your designs. Dora AI is currently in its Alpha 2.0 version, which means it's still under development. While they offer the full experience for free now, that includes 120 credits and allows you to publish for free. You can also purchase a Dora plan to obtain more credits. However, they've stated they'll keep users informed before making any changes to the pricing structure. So if you're looking for a free and innovative way to build websites, Dora AI is definitely worth checking out. There you have it. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Ideaplex for more creative hacks and tech tricks. And if you build a website with Dora AI, share a link in the comments below. We'd love to see your masterpieces.